Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the channel. So today we'll install this 20mm wheel spacers on Maserati Levante. First, we need to prepare the tools that we need. Install wheel hanger. Slide the BONOSS wheel spacers on the axle hub and align the holes in the spacer to the thread holes. The lightweight plus of BONOSS wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively. The multi-stage hub-centric design makes the installation more fitting and safer. For those car owners who have installed wheel spacers, the length of the factory wheel bolts are not long enough, so we need to use these extended wheel bolts. BONOSS forged extended wheel bolts are made of forged SCM 440 alloy steel, ISO standard grade 12.9. We can see the 12 petal shaped design on the head of the extended wheel bolts. That's the proof of the super forging process. Now we finished. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link down on the description. See you next time. Bye bye.